Hi everyone! In this video, I'm going to make a radio-controlled high-speed robo-racing bot. I've used the FSI-6 transmitter to control the racing bot. It runs at 600 RPM. I've made this without using Brsuhed ESC or Arduino. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe and turn on the bell icon to get the notification of new videos. This is a 37GB gear motor of 600 RPM. We need 4 pieces of 85mm hex coupler, 4 pieces of L-shaped motor mount bracket, 85mm wheels, but I would suggest to use this type of monster wheels for a racing bot, 2 BTS7960 motor driver, 2 pieces of servo motor, buck converter, double-sided wire connector, XT60 connector, 16 𝐀𝐬𝐥𝐚𝐦 wires, FSI-6 transmitter and receiver. Using a 20 by 15 cm board which is made of wood. I've attached the motor mount bracket with the chassis. Then attach all the motors with the mount. Then take some wires and connect both left and right motors in parallel. Checking if the motors are running in the same direction. Now break the servo motor and take out the circuit. Remove the motor and connect wires like this. Now in BTS7960 motor, short the right enable and left enable pin together and connect it with VCC. Do this for both drivers. And connect 2 wires with VCC and ground. Connect the servo motor's 2 wires with right PWM and left PWM. Do this for both drivers. Attaching buck converter with PVC board. And set the output at 5 volts. Now attaching both motor drivers with PVC whiteboard. Connecting VCC and ground of both motor drivers in parallel. I've made this to provide power in the receiver and motor driver from the buck converter 5 volts. Check all the connections before providing power. Now connecting battery terminal with both motor drivers. These are for connecting the motors. Now I'm connecting the receiver. First, connect the 5-volt power line to the receiver. Right motor driver with channel 1 and left motor driver with channel 2. Make the connection carefully. After making all the connections, cover the whole circuit using an electric tap. Now attach the circuit in the bot. Connect motor terminal. Using duct tap to warp the circuit within the chassis. Now coming in the controller settings. We need to make both channel 1 and channel 2 mix. For this go to setup mode, 𝐀𝐬𝐿𝐴𝐿 and turn 𝐀𝐬𝐿 on. Long press the cancel button to save. Then go to reverse and make channels 1 and 2 reserve. Long press the cancel button to save. Let's test it. Attaching wheels. Then connecting the battery. Use LiPo battery for better performance. Now see the result.